IDK apartment renovation by Demo Working Group in Cologne, Germany. This project deals with the renovation of an apartment in a large-scale residential complex from the 1970s, in the outskirts of Cologne. The apartment is inhabited by a family of 4. With 82 square meters of living space, it is small by today's standards. Nowadays, 47 square meters per person are average in Germany. Our objective is to bring the apartment in line with contemporary spatial expectations. This invariably led to questions about standards of living, appropriateness and adaptability of existing structures in transformation scenarios. The apartment's layout is defined by 2 distinct halves, one harboring the individual rooms and the other dedicated to family living. We kept the general layout of the apartment, but removed all non-load-bearing walls. In their place, sliding partitions were introduced. The sliding doors are based on a system of T-slot aluminum profiles, typically employed in mechanical engineering. This transformation allows the apartment to assume different configurations, with the walls open. The children's rooms expand into the living space and the bathroom doubles as an open laundry room. Throughout the day, there is a constant flux between privacy and openness.